This is what I was using on the bottom here to protect the Schrader valve, just a rubber cap. But I want to use these now, a piece of 1.5 inch PVC, and I'll put that on there so it'll become one total piece. Fill that in with 2-part resin down inside there up to about here, and that'll adhere this to this inside of this. This will become one piece. Then I'll be able to shoot a longer bottle. Still got to cut off the end and make it so it'll accept the projectile nose cones with the powder. But as you can see, I'll get that up there. I gain about 1.75 inches in length, so that means whatever air pressure I've got in the projectile shell will have more oomph. So it'll utilize more air, so I won't be wasting any air coming out of the shell itself. So that now becomes that much longer. We'll see how it works.